Alright, it's a new dawn, it's a new day, and today it's gonna be the first ride that I do with my thumb. With my thumb. Hurts. And it's also gonna be the first ride that my girlfriend got her license, her full license. So she's gonna pull off her learning sticker. That makes it official. So let's go ride. We're gonna go to the Netherlands. I'm gonna do a big tour around Zeeland. So let's go. There's a bit of road here, always fun. It's just a normal road, nothing special, but it's nice to feel my tires slip a bit again. Always a nice feeling. I hope my voice is kind of clear because I got a dead cat for the GoPro itself. Because all the mics that I bought until now, they have failed me, so I'm just gonna do this. Hope it works. Up the line, to the line. Alright, first break. We're about in 1/3 of the route, I think. We got a bit hungry, so we parked the bikes here. We're gonna eat something. We brought some bread and some soup. We have a kind of a view here with the windmill park over there, and yeah, some water. Kind of gives me the vacation vibes right now, which is nice. No! First have to put the thing and then the water over it.
No, it doesn't make
You're
any
crazy.
I've put too much water in it, so it's just water with a bit of
The problem
taste.
is not that you put too much water in it, the problem is you spilled everything here.
That as well.
Alright, next stop is the Plompe. About 2 years ago I posted a video, can the CB500X handle a passenger? Got a lot of views, and we came here to this tower, and it was closed then because of the coronavirus, and now it's open. So now the moment has come. After 2 years of waiting, we can enter this tower again.
Heb je mij gezien? Heb je mij gezien?
Volgens een hele oude legende werd over deze streek ooit een vloek uitgesproken.
So steep.
Koudekerke was een zelfstandige kerkelijke gemeente. De stenen kerk, die midden in het dorp stond, was gewijd aan de Maagd Maria en aan de heilige Sint Maarten.
Alright, so that was really interesting. There was this whole story about this mermaid that was stolen by these people, and then the husband of the mermaid laid a curse upon the land that destroyed this whole area because the people, you know, they stole his wife. So yeah. Our third stop, probably final stop. We stopped here, uphill, with the sea behind us, the North Sea. Very pretty, very pretty. It was a steep hill climb with some sand, and then we came over and it was just the ocean. But it's very bright because the sun is reflecting on the ocean, so I can barely see there.
Yet again, we called the sea the ocean.
I said sea.
But then you said the ocean twice.